Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little project where we lock a folder on Windows and we unlock it. So I'm just going to start off. I'm going to create a subroutine called lock unlock. And this is going to be like the control panel for this. So we're going to print a message to the user, print lock. So let's do number one. Number one is lock. Let's format that a little bit better. Number two, unlock. Number three, exit. Okay, so there we go. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to type in chomp because we're going to get user input, and we're going to create a variable here called entry. We're going to assign that to standard input, which will get whatever the user types into the input box here. Okay, and now we're going to come on to a conditional. If scalar entry here, if what the user types in is equal to 1 here, and I'm doing the 1 just as a string. I'm doing it as a string to make it easier. So if the user types in 1, we're going to go down to this subroutine here, which is called lock folder. Okay, we're going to create this subroutine underneath here. So this is going to be sub lock folder. So this is the subroutine, the first subroutine we're going to do. Right, so we're going to create a path. Now I've got a folder called X on my desktop, so I need to create a path to here. So I'm going to create my scalar folder path, and I'm going to assign it to the path there. This is the path on my desktop. Your desktop will be different, so you're going to have to find out what your unique path is. So users mark desktop, and the folder that I'm going to lock is X. That's the folder I'm going to lock. Now we're going to create a variable called my lock folder, and we're going to assign that to ICACLS, which is the command that we're going to be using to lock the folder. And slash like that, and then we're going to do folder path, and then to do the / deny everyone. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, now what we do is we use the system. It's going to be lock folder, and then we're going to print out a message to the user telling them that, that particular folder has been locked. Right. Okay, let's just test that. So let's run the program. Lock. This is the program so far. Lock folder. Let's just run that program. Okay. Oh dear, I've run this one first. Okay, never mind. I was going to run it from the menu first, but I've run this one first. I meant to type in lock, unlock. Never mind, we'll have a look at that later. So let's have a look at this. So let's click on the folder. And there we go. It's been locked, hasn't it? So we've got no access to that folder at the moment. Right, so coming into our menu again, we're going to use else if. Okay, so else if scalar entry is equal to 2, which is unlock. The user types in 2, which is the unlock command. We're going to send them down to the next subroutine called unlock folder, and that's going to be down here. So let's have a look at that. I'm going to do that because I want to get a little bit of space. Okay, so we're going to come down to unlock folder. So let's create a subroutine sub called unlock folder. Okay, so again we're going to create the same path here because it's the same path to our folder. So what we'll do is we'll just copy that from there and just paste it into there. And then the commands are roughly the same but a little bit different, so we're just going to copy that, paste it into there, and just do a few alterations on this. So we've got, this is going to be unlock folder here, so this is going to be unlock folder. Okay, this command is the same, this command is the same. Instead of deny everyone, we're going to say grant everyone, and then we just do the system. Whoops, that's wrong. That's wrong as well. Let's just pop that down there a little bit. Whoops. Okay, we're going to have to do this another way. Let's just fix that, or else we'll get an error. Make sure there's nothing down there. Okay. Right, so we're going to go onto the system here, and that is going to be scalar unlock folder. Okay, and then of course we're going to print the user a message. Again, it's going to be scalar folder path, and this time it's going to be unlocked. Right, let's just save that. Let's just alter this a little bit here. So this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it from lock, unlock. But before we do that, we're going to finish off the rest here. So we've got lock, unlock, and then we've got the else, the catch-all. Else, if that's not the case, we're going to exit here. So I'm just going to type in exit, so that will do the job. Let's just type here, exit. Okay, let's save that. And we're going to run the control panel lock, unlock. So let's just run that. Got a bit of an error there. Folder. Line 28 should be folder path. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay, so we've got lock or unlock. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to enter in 2. Hit enter. Okay, successfully processed one file. Says it's unlocked, so let's go and have a look at it. There you go, it's unlocked. Okay, let's go back to it again. Run the program again. Let's just type in this time 3. There you go, it's exited the program. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you drop me a comment as well. You know, you can say anything as long as it's not rude. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.